Pittcon started as a result of efforts to network local scientists in the Pittsburgh area so they could compare notes and keep up to speed with the latest developments in measurement technologies. As a result of those efforts in the very early 40s, there became a local meeting of scientists in Pittsburgh on an annual basis, which then in 1950, the first official Pittsburgh conference was held. The name of the Pittsburgh conference is because originally it started in Pittsburgh, but over the years it grew rapidly and we had to move to larger cities with more hotels, larger convention centers to hold a show. But Pittsburgh's still true to its original root. It's really a forum for people to share ideas, whether it's instrument manufacturers looking for feedback for how to modify or tailor their equipment or what new needs are out there they need to be looking for, as well as industries that supply the laboratory sciences field.
Well, Pittcon has always been important. I remember when I was a young professor at the university, I was coming to Pittcon to have a complete overview, not only of the instrumentation, but also of the fundamentals of analytical chemistry.
What's exciting about Pittcon is it brings together a whole group of technological experts in areas that I wouldn't normally have access to.
It's always a very important tour for me to go through all the booths to see what's new. It's not the same thing as you check online, yeah? You check online, you cannot really touch the thing, but here you can grab it, you can touch it, you can talk to the people there at the booth. So it's very, very important for me to be here in that extent and really get the real thing.
It's a great opportunity to sort of see the latest and greatest in terms of technology, but it's also an opportunity at the talks to sort of see where the field is going.
The scientific program they put together is always stunning. It attracts a lot of the real thought leaders from around the world across not just what I'd call traditional analytical chemistry, but across many fields.
Pittcon is the forum for the most cutting-edge analytical research. And what I love about Pittcon is that there's a real focus on real-world, real-life problems. So you can go to sessions about environmental chemistry, food chemistry, biological chemistry.
I like Pittcon because there's so many people from all over the world that we can see and hear from. So to get those differing views on analytical chemistry and see new technologies is really exciting.
It says something about our spirit and how we deal with adversity. And so for Pittcon and other associations to find solutions, some of them really imperfect, but nonetheless, we're going to do it and we recognize that we're all in it together. We come to this with a spirit of flexibility and that we're going to come through the other side of it.
I love Pittcon because if you're developing technologies and assays, this is the place to be. You will see the latest and the greatest, and I don't really think there's a meeting that can compare.